Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another case from VRS Design for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the Quick Stand Pro S case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so here we have the Quick Stand Pro S from VRS Design for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now if you guys watched the video from before, I did actually do one on the Quick Stand Pro S. The Quick Stand Pro. This is the Pro S. I'm going to show you guys exactly what the difference is. So if you guys didn't watch that video, and if you guys have the S Pen, then you should probably just watch this video. So let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. I will reiterate everything that I said in the last video in case you didn't watch the Quick Stand Pro video. But this is the packaging, very clean design, always from VRS Design. Really know how to design. Alright, so if you guys didn't know, but with every case that you have for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, they will include a front screen protector, which is actually really good because it has been working with a lot of different cases that I have been using, the one from Samsung and from VRS Design. So pretty cool. And you have your kit of how to install that screen protector. So you have your alcohol prep pad, and you have your microfiber cleaning cloth, and you do have these adhesive strips, so you can add it on, and you could definitely add a little bit of more stickiness. There's more inside here. Oh, here we go. So you could basically add these strips so you'll have your case and won't slide out as much. But from the last couple of cases that I have been reviewing, the front case has actually been really good. So let's just see exactly how this works here. Now this is going to be an experience for us both. So if you guys haven't seen the case, this is exactly what it looks like. All right, so you kind of have like a carbon fiber feel. This is how thick the cases actually are for the front. Really solid. This is how the hinge actually moves around just a little bit. All right, and you have a kickstand as well. But what makes this different from the regular kickstand, the regular case, is that there's a way to actually hide your S Pen. So this is the case that I'm actually using for my S Pen, the one that's from Samsung. So there's a way to actually hide your pen inside the hinge cover. Now this is absolutely genius. So as you can see from here, you can hide in there and just go over it. Now, and it does actually lock in too, so that is really cool. Now it does look a little bit bigger than the other ones. Let me see if I could show you guys what this one will look like. So side by side with the Samsung one, that's pretty much what it looks like. But just the fact that you can do this, so if you want to pop it out, use your two fingers and just slide across and pull back, and then you could take out your S Pen just like so, and then you can close it and get right back into business. So this is really cool. Definitely going to say this is a must buy. This is one of the first ones that I've seen here to actually have that type of design. There's a few of them that have it built inside the side of the case in the front, but this one is really cool because it doesn't really show, so there's no risk of it actually falling out, which is a definitely positive. Really nice. Now as far as the quality of the case, you guys let me know what you guys think about it. Now it's not the best quality kickstand, but it does kickstand out, and it does have that little pop in, so you know that it's completely in. So if you want to install it, I usually always fold it first, then just pop it on. Just make sure that the speakers are aligned and the mics are also good as well. You have your exposed there. This is how we look for the lip protection for the front cameras, just like so. And want to install the front, just make sure the part that's like this, which is more open, is here, and make sure that it's locked in. Here we go. Now it does look a little bit crazy on this left side. It looks like those cases that look like books because it has that big hinge on the right, but this is so cool. So if you guys didn't know, this does have the Dura foam hinge protection, which basically means that it has a soft material here. I'm trying to find it actually. It doesn't look like it has it though, because on the other ones there's a soft material here. So very curious to see. Maybe they added it somewhere else, but the selling point of this baby is just this. This is so cool. All right. If you guys wanted a built-in S Pen, this is probably the closest that you'll get. And it closes. Yo, this is so cool. I like this. This is so creative. Now it does add a lot of bulk to this. If you guys want to see a comparison with this one and the other VRS design, you guys let me know. And I'll probably give you a little bit of a tip of which one is my favorite. But currently, this one is taking the cake just by that feature of hiding the S Pen, just like so. Hopefully it does actually stay in there for a long time. It seems like it has a little part that actually clips in that front. Now what happens if you flip it the other way? What happens? So it's pretty much the same thing. Stays in just like so. Close it just like that. Now it does move a little bit. But that's just how the hinges are. Now let's see how the folds are. Now that's a little bit too much of a bulge. Pause, but this is really cool. Just to have it hidden like that is pretty cool, and I really like it. You guys let me know what you guys think. As far as the kickstand, I can show you that real quick. It works in multiple ways. It works in portrait mode, and it'll work just like that, so it's extended just like so. So if you guys have any questions about the Quickstand Pro S, let me know down in the comments below. I probably will be using this the most, just because this one is sleek, but that front plate is terrible. So this actually works really, really well. So if you guys want to buy this, let me know down in the comments below which one are you getting. I did have a couple of other case videos coming up soon, so subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button and let me know down in the comments what you think about this case. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.